So this is something I've noticed. This is like our third set of twins in the last few days to celebrate birthdays here. This is Cash and Presley Zimmerman. They are both turning 1 today, and boy, they just grow up faster and faster from here. Happy birthday to Cash and Presley over in Humboldt.
Wow, what a pair of cuties there. All right, and we got birthday love coming from Grandma and Grandpa going out to Isaac Joy. Isaac is celebrating birthday number 1 as well in Chanute.
We've got Jace Fosdick turning 5 years old in Jasper. Jace, that is an awesome outfit, and I love that cowboy hat. A very happy birthday to you today.
Sharp look there. That's awesome. And we've got Braden Young turning 16 this year. Happy birthday to Braden in Frontenac.
Heading over to Mulberry, Braden's great-grandfather.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's him there on, it's on my right. It's on your right if you're watching the TV. That's Melvin Davis. He's turning 82 today. A very happy birthday to you, Melvin.
And it's a Dooley birthday in Columbus. Birthday wishes going out to Ryan Dooley, who is 36 years old. He's got his hands full for sure.
He certainly does. I know exactly how you feel. I really know how you feel, Ryan. We've also got Randy Triber celebrating birthday number 38. Looking pretty good for 38 years old, Randy. I wish I could have held on to my good looks like that. Randy is celebrating in Chanute.
The classic bowl haircut. Love it.
I'd trade that for hair. I'm all right. I'll do the bowl cut if it meant I had my hair back.
All right, and we got Gideon Buchanan turning 44 years old this year. Look at him posing there in Jasper, Missouri. Happy birthday, Gideon.
We've got Sean Wheeler up at the Fort Scott that is, celebrating birthday number 52 today. Sean, happy birthday to you.
And celebrating birthday number 79, it's time to party for Don Dinwiddie in Baxter Springs. And as I understand, Don is one of our many 4-state heroes. Thank you for your service.
We've also got Chris Sponsel celebrating a birthday in Girard. That is the right way to celebrate, so hopefully you get a repeat performance of that cake this year. A very happy birthday to you, Chris.
Looks like a cookie cake or something.
It does.
Super yummy.
It looks incredibly delicious.
Red, white, and yum. Okay. I'm sorry. Happy birthday, Chris. And a happy birthday going out to, or a happy anniversary going out to Kyle and Heather Tedlock, who've now been married for 3 years. Congratulations to them in Frontenac.
And last but not least, we have Sailor Stevens turning 5 years old today. Sailor, a very happy birthday to you as well.
All right, if you've got a birthday, please submit them to us at birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And while you're there, make sure you sign up for the most important thing in the world. It's the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. If you sign up for that, you can get special deals from local businesses. So go there now and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club at koamnewsnow.com.